On the straight stitch of the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine, you have the option of 29 needle positions. So a couple things people ask me about needle positions. Number one, can I move the needle when the needle's actually in the fabric? Yes, you can. The nice thing with an electronic machine, you can pick stitches, you can change stitches, even when the needle's in the fabric, because it won't actually go into effect until the needle's at the highest position. So if you're stopped and the needle's down and you picked, for example, a zigzag, stitch number 5, or which is actually the satin stitch, you'll notice that the needle won't move over until the needle comes out of the fabric. Awesome. Okay, so let's go back to stitch number 1, and where we were seeing originally stitch width, this is 0.0. That means your needle is in the center of the foot. As we plus it, we get the highlighted number, knowing now that we've changed it and it's not at its default setting anymore. We're also seeing the line go up to the top of the screen, so if we are looking at our needle, it is coming over to the right side. I love having all these needle positions. Now you're like, why would I need so many? Well, as soon as you're doing any top stitching and you need to move the needle just a little bit, but then a little bit more, trust me, you're going to be like, oh yeah, I can do that. If you're stitching in the ditch and your ditch is just slightly to the left, you can move it just to be exactly where you want it. A quick way to clear out all these buttons that I've just pushed to get it all the way to the side, just select stitch number 1 again, and it'll go back to the center needle position. If you choose another stitch and come back to number 1, that'll do the same thing. So minus is going to take it to the other direction. Now you have a minus. Let's go all the way to the side. What's that number on screen? You notice it says minus 3.5. Your stitch width on this Pfaff is 7 millimeters wide. So that means at 0, 0, it can go 3.5 millimeters to the right and 3.5 millimeters to the left. You can choose any one of those numbers in between. And not just stitch number 1, stitch number 2 is your triple straight stitch. So it also will have that needle position feature as you move it to either side. So you can really get close to it. Another thing that you'll notice, sometimes when I do needle positions or when I need to sew like near the edge of the fold of the fabric, so many times I just see people stitching on half their fabric. Do you see that only the left side of the feed dogs are touching the fabric? So you're kind of running like half on and half off. You would get a much better, smoother pull of your fabric if you set all the foot on the fabric and then move your needle to the far right side. You can get a lot better stitching quality when your foot is touching all the fabric. So keep that in mind as you move it. So try out your needle positions, and next time you just need to be a scoosh to one side or to the other, you will have lots of needle positions to choose from.